So you go to the store with your Bitcoin, and you're ready to get some snacks and treats for the week. So you get it all and you put it in your buggy, and you go up to the register, and then you're like, what? You don't take Bitcoin? I don't believe it. How could you not? I feel you. And that is why I got an offer for you today. A guide to shopping with Bitcoin step by step using Bitplaza. But first, I'm going to show you what you're going to need. First, you need to get an app made by Bitplaza Inc. called Bitplaza. Bitplaza is an app that is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. The app offers international shipping to anything and everything on the app. Next, you will need Bitcoins, of course. The last thing you'll need to do is have a few minutes at your day where you can look through all the stuff that you might want to get. Step 2, Bitplaza. Go to your choice of app store and search Bitplaza. Once you find it, simply download it and open it. Once you get into the app, as you can see here, we have so many different things that we can look for. We're under our shop category on our main page right now. You have your default, your sorting. You can sort through popularity by newest, lowest, and highest prices, of course. Let's see where it takes us. They have such a wide range of items that it's at least worth looking around before you make any kind of official decisions. Now let's go look at our categories. They have so many different categories on this app, guys. It's ridiculous. They have smartphones, tablets, electronics, flipping groceries right here. Look at this. If you guys are hungry right now, you guys can go over here, go to this app. You guys, look at this. Y'all like some cookies? They got some cookies. Vienna sausages? You guys, I got Vienna sausages. Come on. Aside from all these crazy, wonderful things you can get, they're also super supportive. They have customer service support that you can get to at any time. You can track a package, and we'll get to that in a little bit. That's pretty awesome. You have product searches, your cart, they have so many different qualities for this app that you guys need to check it out. So let's see here. Let's say that I'm on this app right now, and I'm hungry. I want some Oreos. Let's get some Oreos, shall we? Add it to our cart. Let's go to view the cart. So we got our products. Oh, look. I have some previous Pop-Tarts on here too because Pop-Tarts are amazing. Alright, so after we have everything that we need for our, nummy tummy, let's go on ahead. After we got all the things that we need for our stomach, let's go on ahead and go to proceed to checkout. You can enter your shipping details right here. Nothing's too, in your shipping details right here. And then you place your order, guys. How crazy is that? It's so simple. If you want to get your Oreos here in a few days, you got it. It's going to be here in a few days. And once again, this has international shipping. There will be no limit. So let's see here. Let's go look at our customer support area. They said that we love helping our customers all the time. They're always there to talk to y'all. Y'all can call them. Y'all can fill this out right here and send them a little email and submit it. Perfect. They'll get back to you as soon as they possibly can. And once again, here we got our beautiful product search. So if you're looking for anything specific, you're in a slight rush, you can always just look it up right here. So that is the beautiful Bitplaza app. I've shown you the step-by-step guide of what you guys need to do to be able to shop online with Bitplaza. Cryptocurrency is the way of the future. And if you want to be ahead of the curve and you want to make sure that you're there and you're present in the now, then check out Bitplaza. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all are the freaking bomb. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
If you would like to be featured on our company YouTube channel, all you have to do is upload a video about the Bitplaza shopping app and then post it on Twitter and tag us in the tweet at Bitplaza Mobile.